How to train your succulent plants: a guide to pruning and shaping. Succulent plants are a popular choice for indoor and outdoor gardening due to their unique shapes, vibrant colors, and low maintenance requirements. However, to keep your succulents healthy and looking their best, it's important to prune and shape them regularly. Pruning and shaping are two essential techniques for keeping succulent plants healthy and attractive. Pruning involves removing dead, damaged, or diseased leaves, stems, or branches, while shaping refers to controlling the growth pattern of the plant to create a desired shape or form. Pruning and shaping succulents can also encourage new growth, prevent overcrowding, and increase the plant's overall health and vigor. The best time to prune and shape succulent plants is during the active growing season, which is usually in the spring and summer months. During this time, the plant is better able to recover from any damage or stress caused by pruning and shaping. Avoid pruning or shaping your succulent plants during the dormant period in the fall and winter, as this can stress the plant and reduce its ability to survive through the colder months. To prune and shape your succulent plants, you'll need a few basic tools, including a sharp pair of scissors, pruning shears, or garden snips. Make sure your tools are clean and sharp to prevent damaging the plant's tissue. Before you begin shaping your succulent plants, remove any dead, damaged, or diseased leaves, stems, or branches. These can be a breeding ground for pests and diseases and can also inhibit the growth of new, healthy growth. Use your sharp tools to carefully cut away any damaged or dead tissue, making sure to cut as close to the base of the plant as possible. Once you've removed any damaged or dead tissue, you can begin shaping your succulent plants. Determine the desired shape and form you want to create, whether it's a neat, compact form or a wild, sprawling one. To shape your succulent plants, use selective pruning to remove any excess or unwanted growth. This involves cutting away specific leaves, stems, or branches to encourage the growth of other parts of the plant. While pruning and shaping are important for maintaining healthy succulent plants, it's also important not to overdo it. Over-pruning or shaping can stress the plant and inhibit its growth. Only remove as much tissue as is necessary to create the desired shape or form, and then allow the plant to recover and grow before pruning or shaping it again. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.